Hi, Big Al here, ready for another cooking time. But first, I'm going to give you a thought of the day or philosophy of the day. Don't let anyone steal your attitude. Get yourself a good attitude and don't let anyone steal it. Okay, now that we've done that, it's time for cooking. Quick, easy Asian dish. First, boil the kettle. Makes it a bit quicker. Second, like everyone loves noodles, everyone eats noodles, so let's have them in a tastier way. We don't need the sachet, so you can keep that for a later date. This is one of my favourite dishes actually, I eat this a lot. Okay, it's boiled enough. Pour some water over it. Get that happening with the noodles. And then second of all, you need to have a shot. So what this is I get these from the supermarket. 5 taste stir fry shots. It's lemongrass and kaffir lime. So it's a Vietnamese style thing, and with having the noodles with this and the veggies and the way I cook it is a little bit like having pho. So if you like pho, you'll like this. I mean, you can do it with the other thicker style noodles and whatever, but the idea of this is something cheap, simple and easy for us to cook with something that's already in the cupboard practically. So just cover that around, keep all the flavour in it. And then get some veggies, just some easy stir fry veggies, depends on how much veggies you like I suppose. Pile them in over the top. The last of my Glad wrap over the top. So like I said, extremely quick, extremely simple, but that's what all my stuff is, stuff that absolutely anyone cooks. If I can do it, you can do it. And initially put it in for 2 minutes, because we pull it out at the end of 2 minutes and stir it. So yeah, it's quite a yummy, quite a quick and easy meal. You can, like I use a big bowl because I put lots of veggies in it. Veggies don't, you know, good for you, healthy, don't make you put on weight or anything. Probably helps you to lose a bit of weight. And all good. So pull it out after 2 minutes, give it a bit of a stir, just get that flavour happening all through it, making sure the noodles are friggin' getting cooked, because when you put the veggies in, they were frozen, so it takes a bit longer. And we put it in probably for about another 2 minutes 30. 2 minutes 30 just gets it about right. Okay. And start. So about 2 minutes 30 and we'll be laughing, we'll have ourselves a top tucker. So you can buy those shots in hoisin and garlic and a couple of other flavours, but if you don't want those shots, I mean, you can do the same thing by just getting, if you like, honey and soy or any of those types of sauces, maybe a fish sauce. So it's quite a versatile, very easy thing to make, and you can flavour it to suit you. And it's a bit better than just a normal hot. Bit better than just the normal noodles on their own. Like I said, you can make it like a pho dish too if you want, which with the plenty of the juice is what I've done. And if you leave it sit for a bit, The noodles will soak up a bit more of that juice. So, Bob's your uncle. Well, arrivederci, everybody. Thanks for listening. Subscribe, view, like, share. Okay, ciao.